Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing an Oculus Rift, which I am super excited to get to play with. All right, take it out of layer one. I always think these little outer box sleeves are really satisfying to slide off. There we go, yeah. It's like a nice clean layout. This feels a lot like I'm a secret agent and I just received all my equipment. Feels very secure in here. These little guys. Oh, I guess these are the sensors. I thought for a second this was like one of those mics for the school announcements. And the headset itself. I like that it's just walking me right through it. It's like, okay, this is the last thing you're opening. Let's get started. So we've got our Rift. We've got our touch controllers, our sensors, comes with some batteries, which is pretty cool, lens cloth, and an audio tool, which I don't know what that is yet, but I bet we'll figure it out when we start setting up. All right, so looks like all of the cords that come with this stuff are really neatly bundled together, which always makes me really happy. All right, and the sensors have a little protective film over them, and this is always my favorite part. It's like super satisfying. I just watch videos of that online all the time because I'm a crazy person. All right, these guys do not, but they are just beautiful. They don't need it. Oh yeah, there's more little. Oh yeah, this seems important. I appreciate that they put this on all of the little like lens cover things that were on the sensors and on the Rift itself. It says no sunlight on lenses and no liquid cleaners. So if you need to clean these guys off, use the little lens cloth because otherwise you're gonna mess it up. And looks like all of this stuff is adjustable. All right, so you can like move around where the like length of the earpiece, which is great because I feel like these are always made for heads that are bigger than mine. So I appreciate that. And then there's a little like Velcro strap so you can tighten this bit up, and these guys obviously to make the headset a little tighter on your face as well. So you can make sure that it's nice and snug without destroying your face. Cool. Also super handy and appreciated, all of the cables come with little caps. Keep all the dust out, keep them nice and safe while you travel. If you're really OCD, I suppose keeps them nice and safe while you're not using it too. As far as these guys go, like I said, I really appreciate that the Oculus came with batteries for these because not all VR headsets do come with batteries, and it's a small thing, but it's a nice little way to make it that much easier to set up your new system. It's also just like, they just feel really good. They did a really good job making them sort of ergonomic to your hands. I'm excited to get this thing going. Also, this is really cool. I didn't realize that the outside of the Rift is also fabric. So it's not the same sort of plastic material as the rest of it. And I don't know if that serves like a functional purpose, but aesthetically, I actually really like it. And it does make sure you don't get like fingerprints and stuff all over it, which I'm kind of weird about. So, especially new things, I like them to continue looking new for a while. So that's really cool. And then for these guys, they obviously also come with the wrist straps, which I just noticed. In case you get like super into your game and forget that you're in a game, it's not going anywhere. Can't fling this guy across the room. It's safe. Just goes to show how real the VR experience can be. All right, and there you have it. That was our unboxing of the Oculus Rift. Overall, I think it was great. I really enjoyed the packaging, which is weird for me. Normally that's not like part of the process, but there was something really satisfying about it. So let's go get it set up.